The TECNO Spark 5 is the newest addition to the TECNO Spark series and also a successor to the TECNO Spark 4 released last year. In this video, I'll be unboxing and doing a quick review of the TECNO Spark 5, so stick around to the end. And without taking much of your time guys, let's get straight to the video. When you open the box, you're greeted with the smartphone itself, a 12 plus 1 month warranty card, a clear TPU case, a USB cable, a 10-watt charger, an earpiece, and the SIM ejector tool. And that's pretty much everything inside the box. One special attraction of the TECNO Spark 5 is its gorgeous design and build quality. The phone sports a glass design at the front and a plastic design at the back. I like the gradient look and vibe going on at the back, which makes it feel premium in your hand. The color I have here with me is the Ice Jadeite, and it also comes in Spark Orange, Vacation Blue and Misty Grey depending on your preference. Moving on, the smartphone features a 6.6-inch 720p IPS LCD dot display with a pixel density of 267 ppi and 86.7% screen to body ratio with not too large bezels. On the right side of the device is the volume rockers along with the power button, which has this reddish orange accent, while on the left is the tray which houses the dual 4G nano SIMs and memory card. At the top there is nothing, while at the bottom is where we have the micro USB port, the speaker grills, a microphone and the 3.5mm headphone jack. At the back is where you find the quad camera setup, the fingerprint scanner as well as some TECNO branding. Setting up the fingerprint and face unlock was pretty easy. Fingerprint unlock is not the fastest, but it gets the job done. Also, face unlock works very well under good lighting conditions, but it's not the most secure method for unlocking your phone. Another major highlight of the device is the massive 5000 mAh battery, which can last for almost 2 days on a moderate use. Juicing the battery is the 10-watt charger out of the box, which doesn't support fast charge. I'll be testing the battery and charging speed in my full review, so make sure you are subscribed to the channel so you don't miss it when it drops. In terms of performance, the TECNO Spark 5 is powered by the MediaTek Helio A22 12nm SoC. An octa-core processor clocked at 2.0 GHz paired with 2 GB of RAM and a 32 GB internal storage, which runs on TECNO's HIS 6.1 based on Android 10. Performance on this guy is not 100% because it's not its strong suit. Though it's not the fastest, but it can still run light gaming and simple tasks very well. I advise you don't open too many apps in the background if you want to enjoy using this smartphone. Moving on to the camera section, the TECNO Spark 5 features an 8MP front-facing camera with flash. Pictures taken outdoors look sharp with good amount of details. Though portrait shots were a bit overexposed, but I like the skin tone and how it's able to blur the background from the subject. I think the pictures coming from the selfie camera are not bad for a phone at that price tag. Let me know what you think of the picture quality in the comment section below. The Spark 5 sports a quad camera setup at the back inside a rectangular shaped camera module, and it includes a 13MP f1.7 main shooter, a 2MP macro lens, a 2MP camera for depth sensing and a QVGA camera for low light with quad flash. I was really impressed by the picture quality coming from the rear cameras of this guy. Pictures are sharp and well saturated, though not the best, but it can be used mostly for your social media posts. HDR shot looks nice as well, and I also like the color accuracy of the macro shot. I'll be putting it to more tests in my full review, so make sure you are subscribed and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. Video recording on the Spark 5 maxes out at 1080p at 30 frames per second with no support for optical image stabilization for both the front and back cameras. If you intend to shoot videos with the TECNO Spark 5, you might need to get yourself a tripod to avoid shaky footage. The TECNO Spark 5 currently retails for 52,000 naira on Jumia, and I think it's actually a good deal, especially if you're on a tight budget. Because at that price point, you'll not only be getting a premium looking design, but a big 5000 mAh battery as well as some Android 10 features, dark modes and more. I recommend this device for those that are looking for a durable budget smartphone that can take decent pictures for social media, and to those that are not into heavy usage or gaming. Also, if you don't like charging your phone frequently or you need a backup device that can run your simple day-to-day phone tasks, you might need to consider this device as well. So that's pretty much it for my review of the TECNO Spark 5. What do you like about the smartphone and what do you think I missed? Would you consider this device as your daily driver or as a secondary device? Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like and share it, and also please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks so much for watching. I'm KB and I'll talk to you in the next video. Peace. Peace out.